Thank you so much for becoming a subscriber on People in Tech. You guys have no idea how much that means to me, how much it means to the team. We have a personal goal. I have a personal goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers on this channel. And remember, this is a nerdy tech channel for you. So the only way we're gonna get to 1,000 is if we're making content that you guys enjoy. So please let us know what you like, what you dislike. Like, comment, subscribe. Every time you do that, you're gonna enter into our raffles. Right now we're doing $25 Amazon gift cards, but I can imagine down the road, who knows what we'll be raffling off, simply because people send us free stuff and I don't need all of it. So I'm gonna be giving it out to you guys. Outside of that, this whole channel is a resource. It's a tech resource for tech people. Whether you're a software developer, maybe you're just in the tech industry, maybe you're just curious of what's going on in tech, this channel is of course for you. And we just want to say thank you so much for, again, subscribing, supporting us, because this whole platform is about helping others. And so by you guys being our initial day one subscribers, we just want to say we really appreciate the love. Thank you for the support. But that's all I got for you. I'm out. Peace.